This is my apartment and these are the parking bays, and this is the main route from which vehicles to come. You can see a Zomato delivery boy. That's the security cabin. There's the main gate. So this is the driveway, and you can see how the cars are being parked here, because as I said, there is just an overpopulation or increase in population of vehicles. It's actually a point to see whether people in that population are living or not. But basically cars or motorcycles are in abundant in population. So at first, let me check you the compound of our apartment. This is how the vehicles are parked. These are the individual sheds, and you can see those unfaithful, they need to keep their cars under the skies. And this is basically the driveway in which the cars have encroached it, because there is no place to park. That's the only recreational area where people can play or hang around. And the width from that boundary wall to this pillar is quite, width wise it is very low. So if a single vehicle is coming, for an example, if that SUV is coming, so literally another car can't go there. So as I said, this is the block B. Almost 5 floors. Again, this is also a driveway. You can see how the vehicles are encroached. Let me show around. This portion is block B. I am going around block B. Though delivery personnel, they don't have to come along this way. For the sake of just showing, I'm showing it. If you go further, that's the back side of the block B. This one is block A. So block B and block A are next to each other. This is the main entrance of block B. There you can see the lift car. So a person can come in this way and can enter into this block B main gate. And there, if you can see, that's the elevator, that portion. So block B in square kilometer wise, it is quite less in comparison to block A. Block A is a larger building in comparison to the block B. This is the driveway. This is our car where it is kept. And you can see, for a sizable car, maybe a mid-size sedan or an SUV, this path is very shrinked. The driveway where I am currently walking now is actually the back side of block A, because as you know, there is a block B and here is a block A. So this is another path where there is a ramp, as you can see, where the motorcycle is kept. So you can go, and in the extreme left side you can get the elevators. Let me check you out. there are three possible ways to get into the elevator of block A. This is the one way I showed you. Here again a car is kept. It's a driveway, and you can see there is a manhole. So while maneuvering cars at this portion is quite tricky, because most likely we are going to hit the side of the car with this particular pillar. As you can see, it's actually the main entrance of block A, and there is the lift. So these cars which are parked in this portion was basically meant for guest parking, but as I said, the population of vehicles have increased a lot, hence this guest parking area is now being used as residential parking area. This is the main drive. Sometimes I think people have went to their offices, but here also a car gets parked here. So most likely whenever a security guard comes to our apartment, as you know, that's the main gate, it's the main driveway. So person comes along, most probably will get into this side, dodging this small space, because I have seen that people, they don't go directly because they don't know which one is the correct way to enter. So finally they end up in this portion. They come here because this is also the main staircase. Even there is no space to park your scooters, so person will likely to come in this fashion. Here is a sloping or a small ramp. And yes, here is the lift or elevator. It's on 5th floor, which is the top floor of this building. Approximately from 5th floor to the ground floor, it takes around 3 minutes to come down. So imagine the delivery person with his heavy bag, he has to stand for this much amount of time, because walking down on the stairs is quite painful. So with his heavy luggage, he has to pull this door. Even these doors are not smooth at all, or I should say grills or gates. No, let's go to 5th floor. It's 8:41 minutes. Let's see. So now this is the main gallery of 5th floor. So most likely the delivery person will be going there, or there, or in this portion. So let's say you rang the bell of the door, done with your delivery, and most likely you will be holding up the lift, but for the time shortage, most probably you will be running down the stairs. As you know, lifts are quite slow, so they won't spend their time for waiting for the lift, rather they will jump down from the stairs. Imagine with 30 kilogram of load on the back of this person, he will be running down the floors. And you can see the width of the staircase is quite low. So he will be banging on both the sides. Nevertheless, here the catch is, if I go down further, that's the ground floor. But the thing is, he has actually arrived to this apartment from that side of the building, which is the front side of the building. So most likely he's going to miss out that portion. So he will be going down this portion. So this is the second entrance which I shown you before. So again he has to dodge from this side to the other side. Let me show you. It's better to show rather than talk. Here's a small gate. And then after he gets baffled that where he has come, most likely he will look here and there. And finally he got a place to go out. Then the person will realize for a moment where is the main gate. Most likely this should be the main gate. This situation is basically for those people who has come for the first time to this particular apartment. For those who come here usually, they don't have to toggle around so much. They know the pathways and they can escape pretty fast. So there is the main gate. I hope here you can get a pure justification that what sort of pain is there for the delivery boys with heavier loads on their back to run down from there to search for the lift car, get on the topmost 5th floor, then coming down erratically and again getting the main door, hop onto their motorcycles or get in their delivery vans, and like this they have to capture 2-3 apartments which are next down the road. So this is how